Welcome to Brianna Townhouse. Units for only 8,583.33 for 12 months. You can own this beautiful home. Hurry, appeal now. DM me or call at 0965-147-4368. Living area, dining area, very affordable unit. RFO na siya, guys. Toilet and bath with glass partition. Kitchen area. Yan po, para may idea kayo kung paano nyo iaayos ang inyong mga gamit. Living area. Tingnan po natin sa taas para makita nyo po ang ating mga bedrooms. We have 2 bedrooms here at Brianna Townhouse with high ceiling. Hallway natin, pwede nyo pong lagyan ng mga display. Bedroom 1. Thanks for watching. God bless everyone.